Hello and welcome to my Line and Wash watercolor. In this video, I will be creating a botanical wreath calendar inspired by real leaves from my garden. I will show you how to observe and simplify leaf shapes, build a balanced wreath composition, and use the few green colors to create depth and harmony. This is a beginner-friendly project focused on light watercolor washes and breathing space. I hope this video helps you to capture the quiet and the fresh feeling of February through the painting. Okay, we just started with the drawing, and in the left side you can see the reference photo is the circle with the leaves. This one is help you to recognize how I make this circle. And these leaves I pick up from my garden, and I put my table place feel like a circle. And this is a variety shape of leaves, so I started with my main one. I cut down the short stem, so make sure they're not too long. The first one I want to show you like a lost and found line. This reflects the natural place of light and shadow. So this kind of line is very helpful. This can avoid the solid outlines. Breaking the edge prevents the subject from looking flat. So this one is feel very breathing and make your subject like a 3D. So sometimes how we make this line is depends on the highlight. Sometimes the light hit the leaf's edge or center, so we might can put in that area with the white. So in this reference photo, you can see I mark for you with some white space. So that can be emphasize distance edges and some fold area. So also this can emphasize with the perspective. And you can try just like single leaves, so that like feel light flow through. And that's not exactly you have to leave white space in there. It depends on the light source, so every time they will be different. And other things focus on these different leaves size and the shapes as well. So make sure they looks variety shapes in there, and this make interesting. When you put this circle in your mind, every single leaves will follow this red line, and change the stem direction. This can help keep make a movement. And I like they cross each other, so that's make more interesting. Like overlapping, make more visual depth. And some leaves or stem might over around this circle. That's okay, because that is the main thing, make it natural. And sometimes maybe you make a bigger circle or tiny, or maybe a little bit oval. That's all good. Just add some thin area, more leaves, and some area maybe thicker. I think that is all make interesting. So accept all the accident. And other things like detail for the leaves, like these veins, I also still used that line, not connected, and some longer, some shorter. And how I recognize this leaf shape, I always focus on the simple, like how they wave. Actually, they're not exactly same direction. Sometimes maybe they like a wavy line for the single leaves. And also sometimes they twist, so they make the angle different. Maybe this is oval shape, but when they turn around or twist, and or some side of them you can't see it, so they will be different. Okay, so and I leave the center area with the white space, so that's for the date. And maybe when you're watching this video is other month, so you can change the this to the other month. Just give you some idea for this February, and I give the leaves shape, like give myself a bit freshy feeling. Maybe for the March I might give a flower or feathers. That's all the good subject for the beginner. And you also can choose some days is special for you. Okay, I started with the color. And this color is yellow-green. And I add wet into wet technique in the end of the leaves. This is shadow green, so make a nice gradient color. At the same time, I leave the white space in the some edges and the center, made these leaves is not flat. And the second color is shadow green, but I add a lot of water, so they looks light. Okay, so we keep this color like bird's sienna with the green, so that's I get the olive green. This is my favorite green color. You can see lots of plant, they has a kind of color, and this is a bit like middle level, good color for the balance. Like you have a bright yellow green and dark with the shadow green, so this is good color, make a connection. And I like put the part of color in each leaves, and same time add the other color like this dark green again. You have many choice like yellow green, olive green, blue green, so it's a warm color to the cool color like ultramarine blue with green. This you will get the blue-green. And I like a color with my number 6 brush. And this is a lot of white space. And when we doing the color, I think a very useful technique is think about what kind of structure for your subject. Like are they smooth or they any texture direction? And then this another nice color, yellow gray. I got some flower in these leaves. It's good to make some color bright and go back for my shadow green, but this level I do less water, so I got the intense color. Emphasize for the end of the leaves and some fold area. Many pointed. That's help us to create depth level. Even we doing very simple wash, still can separate with the fill level. And normally like between the two leaves will be a little bit darker, or the stem. And then I go back, use the yellow gray again to emphasize my this center area. Green with the yellow is nice color. They can help each other to stand out. In this time, I go back drawing because I feel that's still lots of white space. So I add in more tiny leaves. And this step also can like adjustment. You feel that is too empty and or some area too busy. And in this step, we finish this painting. And I do this two painting comes together like one session for the creative calendar. So you can see they in the same page. And if you're interested with drawing the calendar by yourself, so you can watching other video and design your own calendar. So if you enjoy this video, please give me like and welcome to give me the comment for the next subject. Thank you and see you next time.